Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian, and I have a whole YouTube channel of videos talking about earbuds and in-ear monitors and wired headphones. And today I'm going to be talking about SoundPeats' latest, the SoundPeats H2 True Wireless earbuds. You pick these up on Amazon for less than $80, $79.99, and you can use a coupon at checkout. You get 10% off. I'm gonna give you a quick unboxing of these, show you what comes inside. Slide it up, take that off. You got the earbuds right here. Pull out the styrofoam, and you get the user manual. And inside this little box, you also get, come on, don't troll me. You also get the large and the small silicone tips, the USB-A to USB Type-C cable. I am using that right now because I have a lot of earbuds and I have to constantly keep them charged up. But that also comes inside the box. Moving on, we're going to be talking about the controls. Now, you're getting your standard full touch controls, including the volume with SoundPeats, that control volume, music playback, pause and play, answering and hanging up calls. You also get controls for previous track and next track, and last but not least, a touch and a hold for activating your voice assistant. Also, let me just talk about the controls for a minute. Now, when you got the earbuds in your ears, it's going to take some muscle memory to get, used to, touching it just the right way, because sometimes I get like a negative. I'm thinking I'm touching this rounded shield logo that SoundPeats is known for, and nothing happens. Usually I'll end up pausing the music or playing music instead of making the volume go up or down. It's going to take some time to get used to. I'm usually the kind of guy, I like my earbuds to have like a flat surface or like a dimpled surface, so you can press it that way, that you've done it. But yeah, it's only one of the gripes I have about these. Also, when it comes to sound quality, I've been on the fence. In certain songs it sounds like it's dynamic, and other songs it's balanced, and that I think is due to the dual hybrid drivers inside. You get a 8mm dynamic and a nose balanced armature driver inside, same as the H1s. But where the H2s differ from the H1s is that the sound is a little more closed in as far as the sound stage goes, and the vocals, the mids, man, it's really good. Like from the low end to the mids and the treble, everything is in perfect harmony with each other. I've noticed that testing out music for hours, R&B and hip hop, especially rock. When you listen to that cymbal crash, you really get that detail, and there's separation between the instruments when you're listening to music. And also, even at max volume, the bass doesn't distort, it doesn't push into the mids. So I give the sound quality with the H2s, I give it a 4 out of 5. Really good sound quality, really good, nice, balanced sound signature, very good. Now, as far as the battery goes, you're getting 20 hours on a single charge. So to break that up, you're getting 5 on the earbuds, and then you're getting an extra 15 with the case, so that's 20 total. In my testing, I'm getting about 4.5, maybe 4 hours on a single charge, about the same as the Air 3, the True Air 2 Plus, and the SoundPeats Q. I think those might be like 5.5, but yeah, 4 hours, because remember, the louder you listen to your music, the quicker the battery will drain. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a mic test in a quiet environment and a noisy environment. I will be right back. This is a mic test of the SoundPeats H1 in a quiet environment. And this is a mic test of the SoundPeats H2 earbuds if you are using them in a noisy environment. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think about it. Okay, now it's getting to a segment in the review that I like to do about ear health. It's called Can I Go Deaf? So we're going to be testing out how loud the SoundPeats H1s get. So I'm going to go ahead and power up my decibel meter and turn the backlight on so you can see what I'm doing here. And I'm going to take one out of the case. And for this test, I'm going to be using Apple Music lossless. Spotify, they let me down this year. I thought I was going to be able to see some hi-fi, but no. So I got 9 Inch Nails playing. I've been listening to a lot of rock music lately. I'm going max volume. And let's see how loud these get. Okay, not bad. 90, 95, 104, 103, 108, 100. Oh, wow, that's loud. 113? Okay, yeah, these get loud. 114. 100, yeah. So, yeah, let me listen to it right quick. Yeah, that bass drum coming in loud, and the guitars. Good job on the sound quality, and it doesn't distort at max volume too, so hip hip hooray. Okay, now I'm going to be comparing the H2s between other $80 earbuds or earbuds around the same price range. First up is going to be the Earfun Air Pro 2. Now these are priced at the same as, I think, $79.99. The last time I checked, that's how much they were when I bought them. As far as features goes, these have hybrid active noise cancellation. They also have only this one 10mm dynamic driver inside. These have 34 hours of total, and that's like 7 hours with the buds and 27 with the case. You can use both of these earbuds, the H1s and the Air Pro 2, individually. And I forgot these have in-ear detection as well, and the touch control, and you get full touch controls with these as well. So these are some pretty good earbuds, very good. I like these very much. You know, the lid on the case, I got the ones that, you know, aren't unboxed. The lid on the case on both is a little thin. As a matter of fact, I think I like the lid on these better. They're both made of APS plastic. The lid on this one, yeah, it's not good. It's just, but I'll talk about that more later. Moving on, another earbud in the same price range would be the Soundcore Life P3. Now, these are also priced at around 80 bucks or $79.99, you know, below 100 bucks. So you're getting, you know, ANC. You're also getting the 11mm dynamic driver. These support wireless charging. They are IPX5 water resistant. I did some research on the H2s. I can't figure out what the water resistance rating is on these. I'm gonna have to go with, I'm just gonna say IPX4 because I couldn't find anything. The Light P3s, you're getting 7 hours with the buds, 35 hours with the case. Light P3s also have 6 mics. The H2s have 4. And these are also supported by the Soundcore app. And I was waiting to do the review on the H2s because I had heard that SoundPeats was gonna update it to support these, but actually no, they haven't. So it is what it is. So no app support with the SoundPeats H2 earbuds. Okay, now it's time for the conclusion of this review. Now, I do appreciate SoundPeats for sending these out to me to review for free, but I gotta keep it 100. I can't be capping on my channel just because the company sent me out some free earbuds. Now, I've been rocking with SoundPeats for a long time, okay? I'm like Radio Shack. Me and Picky, we got the SoundPeats, all right? like that Lowe's or Home Depot commercial says, you got questions, we got answers. Hey, I'm looking for some ANC earbuds with 10 hours on a single charge. I got you. I'm looking for some AirPod-like earbuds with wireless charging. I got you. I'm looking for some balanced earbuds that are in the shape of the SoundPeats Sonics. I got you. I'm looking for some AirPod earbuds that are less than 50. I got you. So yeah, I got SoundPeats out the wazoo. Didn't really need them to send them out to me. I would have bought them, but I just wanted to pass up on them. But I do appreciate it. So one of the reasons I do not like these earbuds is not the buds themselves, it's the case. Look at this. It creaks. Now I was shooting an unboxing video Thursday or Friday, and you know I'm getting better. I feel a lot better. Was sick for a while, and I was in the zone. And if you don't know me, I use smartphones to record my reviews with, and I looked up and I looked at the dialogue and I saw it was all zeros, and I was like, what? So what had happened was these that I was testing had paired up to my phone that I was recording with, and it cut off at the 1 minute mark, and I was just like going off, and I was like, oh man. So yeah, that unboxing video is es muerte, is dead. So I gotta move on to the review. So I think what it is that the magnet is not that strong on the case. Also, I got Bluetooth turned off on this, so no need to worry about this cutting off. But yeah, that's sad. So I mean, the earbuds, the sound quality is good, but this case is just cheap as hell. But other than that, I like them. But I wish there was more battery life, or at least you know some type of EQ presets, because it would be like it would be supported by the SoundPeats app. But other than that, yeah, it's good. But for $80, I can't recommend these, because there's a lot of earbuds that I just shown you that give you more at $80. So SoundPeats, I'm glad that you're experimenting with your sound. You're no longer, relying on that deep V-shaped sound signature, but I'm going to need more than this in 2022. So with that concludes the video. Be sure to like, comment, and share. Subscribe if you like my videos, or not subscribe. And enjoy your life, enjoy your sound, and I'll see you next time.